Hot dogs! Hey, all you corn dog and horn dog lovers out there! Welcome to another episode of
the best cooking show in the world.
Two chefs.
One knife. And
Meat on a stick.
yeah.
Should we do that over? I laughed.
Yeah, let's do it over again.
And scene. I am Chef MPH.
I am Chef Grace / Chef Yam.
What are we doing today?
We're going to be making Korean corn dogs with cheese. Korean corn cheese dogs. Yes.
Anytime you see a battered thing on a stick, it's a corn dog, man.
Yeah, I love battered things.
On a stick.
Dang it.
Let's go, Grace. What is step number one?
Step number one, we're gonna make our batter.
A horn dog. I'm just gonna play with the panko.
Don't. Okay, so I got 1 package of dry active yeast.
Sounds like a bad sexual encounter. Dry active yeast. That's gross,
Yes.
Grace.
I got 1 package of yeast. I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Sugar will feed the yeast and make them all farty and activated. About 1.5 cups of lukewarm water. And at this point, you just let this sit, and then once it starts foaming, you know your yeast is activated. He's like the
Help me.
Go to your corner.
Oh, damn it.
Go to your corner right now.
Okay, I'm not trying to interrupt you, but is there like a thing where like salt kills the yeast,
Yes.
sugar feeds the yeast?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true.
So when you're mixing yeast, I've never mixed the yeast with salt.
You can put a little bit of salt, just not a lot, because this recipe does call for salt.
Screw you, Grace!
So I'm gonna add the flour now.
Yeah. Yeast stinks.
It does. Wait for
Sorry, I apologize for my behavior right there.
Anyway, I have the water and the flour, the yeast and sugar all mixed together. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. Don't
So we try to look like for like a pancake kind of like consistency.
Yeah.
Not too watery, not too thick.
Exactly.
How are we feeling today, Chef Yam?
My nose is a little bit runny today, but it's not corona. So what we're gonna do is let this arise for an hour, let it double in size. In a nice warm spot, we'll let this rise for
So
about
between
an
my
hour.
legs? Did I interrupt you, really?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Are you really mad? And for the role play to Chef MPH, the hot dog and cheese on a stick goes to Chef Neil! Yay! This is why your videos are so long. Can you, like, focus?
You can just do cheese or you can just do hot dog, but we're gonna do the half and half. I think that's the most popular one. You can do one.
Thank you.
So we got hot dog here. This is not very difficult, but
No, that's pretty easy.
yeah. And then I recommend that you get like a block of mozzarella and cut it up yourself instead of using those string cheeses because it's not enough cheese. The string cheese.
No, you need extra. You need the cheese.
Yeah, you do. You need the cheese pull.
You need the log jammer. Are you allowed to say log jammer?
Alright, so we got some cheese and meat on a stick. So what we're gonna do is batter this up, but first we need to dredge it in some plain flour. You gotta move fast on this weird batter thing, and then we're gonna do a nice twisting motion.
Oh, man, it's
Look
like
at
cotton
that.
candy.
Look at that. Isn't that weird? It's so weird.
It's like cotton candy on a
And then
stick.
you can help it along, kind of use your finger, and yeah, use your finger.
Yeah, that's gross, Grace. That looks good.
Into the fries, into the panko.
Now it looks like a medieval lethal weapon.
Alright. And then into this nice hot oil. We'll just do one with panko. So into the flour again. Into our lovely yeast batter. Alright, so we're going to twist. And right into the panko. Right into the oil again.
As you can see, we flipped this one in the meantime.
Is that a corn dog or a widowmaker? Good lord. It is a Korean corn dog.
You think they're compensating for something?
This is the one after the lotion. This one is not ribbed for her pleasure.
That's gross.
feel like we work at the carnival. Excuse me, sir. Can I have mine gluten-free?
No, you may not.
Is that a veggie hot dog? Save the best for last. Now that we're standing face to face, isn't this world a crazy place? Now that we thought our chance had passed, you go and save the best for last.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Yeah, sugar.
Dun 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 dun.
So traditionally, they sprinkle sugar on it, and apparently it's delicious.
Wow, just when you thought this couldn't
I
be
know,
any,
right?
any unhealthier. Boom. We have our plethora of the hot dogs. All right, I'm going cheesy. I'm going sugar, because you
Okay.
know what? Pour some sugar on me. All right, here we go. Ready?
Ching. Ready?
Do or die. Ow.
Oh, no people.
It still tastes fantastic, though.
Mmm.
Oh, that's better. Oh, there you go. Mine's got a little too full. Oh my god, this is so good. This is fantastic.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You actually?
Oh my god, I haven't got to the hot dog yet.
Can I try the sugar one?
I feel my butthole will be
Here, try
plugged
this
up
one.
before I even get to the hot dog.
The sugar
The
one's
sugar is good.
Yeah.
Way to go, Korea! 2 thumbs up! I believe the children are the future.
Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Show them all the beauty that buzzes inside.
Give them a sense of pride to make it easier.
Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be.
Honest, I love